donner.
It means to give. In this video, we will learn the verb to give in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is a regular verb. It will follow the same pattern that we have learned in earlier lesson. Let's conjugate it in the present tense. I give.
Je donne.
You give.
Tu donnes.
He gives.
Il donne.
She gives.
Elle donne.
We give, or one gives.
On donne.
We give.
Nous donnons.
You give.
Vous donnez.
They give.
Il donne.
They give.
Elle donne.
This French verb is a versatile and fundamental word in the French language, signifying the act of giving. It is essential for expressing generosity, assistance, and the transfer of various things, including objects, advice, affection, or support. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. Don't worry about the complex sentences, just concentrate on the conjugation right now. Building sentences will be taught in subsequent lessons. I give flowers to my mother.
Je donne des fleurs à ma mère. Je donne des fleurs à ma mère.
You give a gift to your friend.
Tu donnes un cadeau à ton ami. Tu donnes un cadeau à ton ami.
He gives his book to his brother.
Il donne son livre à son frère. Il donne son livre à son frère.
She gives clear instructions.
Elle donne des instructions claires. Elle donne des instructions claires.
We give gifts at Christmas.
On donne des cadeaux à Noël. On donne des cadeaux à Noël.
We give gifts to our friends.
Nous donnons des cadeaux à nos amis. Nous donnons des cadeaux à nos amis.
You give valuable advice.
Vous donnez de précieux conseils. Vous donnez de précieux conseils.
They give chocolates to the children.
Ils donnent des chocolats aux enfants. Ils donnent des chocolats aux enfants.
They give flowers to their teacher.
Elles donnent des fleurs à leur professeur. Elles donnent des fleurs à leur professeur.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. I give.
Je donne.
You give.
Tu donnes.
He gives.
Il donne.
She gives.
Elle donne.
We give, or one gives.
On donne.
We give.
Nous donnons.
You give.
Vous donnez.
They give.
Ils donnent.
They give.
Elle donne.
That's all for today. In subsequent lessons, we will be learning about building the vocabulary and sentences. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.